Good morning. I have a timeshare contract that I have heard that you were able to help us with. The maintenance fees are getting too high. The assessments are always so high. We never can book it when we want to book it. The children don't even want to use it. So I was told that you could help us.
Sounds like you two need a timesharectomy. Coastal Member Services has been helping people get out of their timeshares and find better ways to vacation through their partnership with Club Local. They are A+ rated and accredited with the Better Business Bureau. Come see us today for a free brief consultation. For years, we've been helping families get out of their timeshare contracts.
My name is Linda, and Dave helped me get rid of my timeshare. It's impossible without help. It really is. He was a tremendous help, and I could not have done it without him.
Let us help you end maintenance fees forever.